Heavy snow, wind gusts, drifts, ice, the possibility of downed power lines. This storm packing all sorts of punch as it barrels through our area. It's all hands on deck for snowplow crews. As much as 1.5 feet of snow expected in some areas. A lot of it expected here in northwest Nassau. And we are standing here at the Department of Public Works yard in the town of North Hempstead in Port Washington. And I am speaking to Brian Watterson, a maintenance supervisor for the town of North Hempstead Department of Public Works. Brian, can you tell me what you're up against today?
Heavy snowfall and winds, high winds. We're expecting at least 1 foot of snow, possibly more, over 2 days.
And what have you got out there?
We have about 60 somewhat trucks currently out there plowing. Right now, the intensity of the snow and the wind over the 2 days, it's going to be all hands on deck for those 2 days. And we're worried about fatigue. Drivers, we're going to be behind the wheel for a long period of time, and we're worried about the drivers.
What's your plan? What's your overall strategy for this?
We're trying to clear the roads the best we can. Curb to curb, and then salt the roads again, and then let the snow build up and plow it again. We'll keep plowing until the snow stops.
And if you have a message, do you have a message for the people who are out there that you're trying to help by clearing off the roads?
We urge all motorists to stay off the road, and we advise all homeowners to remove their cars from the road and let the plows do their job.
Okay, thank you, Brian Watterson, Department of Public Works, town of North Hempstead. So, it's a very, very treacherous storm. Lots of dangers, both for the public and for the plow crews who are responsible for clearing these roads off as quickly as possible. Officials say you can help out. Don't drive unless you absolutely have to. And please park your car off the street so these determined snowplow crews can get the job done. In Port Washington, Pat Dolan for Newsday.